President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. was presented with a strategic plan to establish a Philippine Space Force by 2028. This during the 2026 First Quarter Command Conference at Camp Aguinaldo, highlighting the administration's ongoing efforts to modernize the security and defense capabilities of the country. Patrick De Jesus has the full report.
During the 2026 First Quarter Command Conference on Tuesday at Camp Aguinaldo, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. was presented with the plan to establish a space force for the armed forces of the Philippines. The initiative is targeted to be established in 2028 before it is eventually developed into a space command. This is also in line with the directive of President Marcos Jr., which was first discussed during the AFP's 2025 year-end command conference. Funding has already been allocated.
As early as now, ginagawa na natin yung unit. Anyway, meron naman na tayong mga services that we are tapping in order for us to be able to take advantage of space technology. Dalawang napaka-importanteng gamit ng space. Number one is ISR, yung eye in the sky, para makita natin yung nangyayari sa lupa at sa ating karagatan. And second is to connect all our systems.
Politics was not discussed during the command conference, and there was no loyalty check.
Hindi po ito parte ng loyalty check. This is a regular occurrence. Every year ginagawa po natin yan, yung mid-year, so first semester, and then second semester towards the end of the year. Hindi po loyalty check at hindi po kailangan ng loyalty check.
President Marcos Jr.'s command conference focused on the country's security situation. Particular emphasis was given to external defense, especially the West Philippine Sea. This year also marks the 10th anniversary of the Philippines' arbitral victory, which ruled that China's 9-line claim in the whole South China Sea has no legal basis. The Department of National Defense acknowledged the limitations of legal processes, saying the country must also continue strengthening its defense capabilities. This amid China's continued harassment in the West Philippine Sea, including its so-called United Front works.
It is not only the Philippines. Several other countries, whether they have territorial contests or not, are actively strengthening their internal defense capabilities because of the fear of the unknown.
The Philippines will continue its partnerships with other countries that share its commitment to maintaining peace and stability in the region. Patrick De Jesus for The Nation.